Exposing the myth in biology. This creature looks like a chimera but walks our planet. Think you've seen everything? Think again. Meet the axolotl, the salamander that never really grows up. It keeps its feathery gills, stays aquatic, and regenerates whole limbs like it's no big deal. Scientists call it neotenic, which is fancy for eternal baby vibes. It's endangered in the wild, yet it's a superstar in labs and pet tanks worldwide. So yeah, an animal that seems mythical, it exists. Fragile, amazing, and worth protecting. Want more weird but true creatures? Hit follow and I'll bring the next oddball.